So, this video I'll be sharing to you is how to unlock um, PDF file. So, I have here a PDF file. How to know if this file is locked? So, you have to open this and then let's try to copy a text. Okay, this one here. If we are going to copy this text and then right click, so you can see the copy. So therefore, we cannot copy this text. If we are going to open this file, this PDF file using Word, so let's open this and then file and then proceed to open and then browse and then here it says here that we're sorry, the author of this document has set permission that don't allow the content to be reused in other applications. So we cannot open this file because this file is locked. So how to lock this file? You're going to open your browser and then type here this one, I love PDF unlock a document, unlock PDF files, remove PDF password. So this one, I love PDF.com. So you're gonna open this one and then it says here that unlock PDF, remove PDF password security, giving you the freedom to use your PDF as you want. So you have to select the PDF file here, desktop, and then this one. Open this one and then click unlock PDF. And after that, download the unlocked PDFs. Here at the bottom, you can see the downloaded PDF file. So you open it. So here is the unlocked PDF file. Let's try to check if we can copy this text. So highlight and then right click. So here you go. You can see here the copy. So what are we going to do now is to close this and then let's open. So file and then open and then browse and then this one po. Pag yung PDF file ay nakalock, hindi mo po siya pwedeng ma-open sa Word. So kailangan mo po siyang i-unlock. So hihintayin lang po natin kasi naglo-load pa po siya. Ito po, mas madali. Ayan. So, ayan na po. At maganda dito, hindi po nasira yung format niya. Thank you guys for watching.